Nagabenta ke khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Perisibuan YP Taiwan bersama baik kawan news. Kawan news sudah tahan ya sultan auditorium masaki ya kata kalukut sang bakat sau senam jong mi filman ya tak kendon kin snap film hakitala kabri luk sikha jeki mentah ni dan uin na pring director jong kanut izingi Northeast Council Arts and Culture de iwa monising tentang nyapa nyakan kinjat bagi halal kini kaban.
It's really a very joyful day because the entire film fraternity is here. Artists, the technicians all together celebrating the 14th foundation day of Filma, Meghalaya Film Association. I congratulate all the members and all the filmmakers of Meghalaya on this special occasion, and I hope the film industries in Meghalaya keep growing day by day and making wonderful movies and award-winning movies for all around the globe. Thank you. Actually, it is on the filmmaker to pull in the ground. So you have to make a good film. In today's world, with the tip of your finger, you can see film from everywhere. Whether it is Bollywood, then Hollywood, or foreign movies, different languages, different countries. So whatever basic things that we have here, the talent, we have to try to bring the best out of it, and with the grammar of the film should not be overruled. So once I think you make good films, there will be followers, no doubt about that. There will be people who will throng in and who will be attracted towards a good film. So we have to move towards making good film. Now we are more for the performing arts. Okay, so in performing arts, there are many associations and groups who are embedded with ICCR, and they are main thing is to showcase the culture of the state, and India abroad. Recently we had a very successful event of installing Uttaroxi's statue in Dhaka, and then that was very instrumental, and it was in the ICCR campus only that we have installed our ICCR branch in Dhaka. So there were many performers there, plays and like that. So it's more about live performances and indigenous culture that we promote. So we are on it.
So what is the message you will give to the
know your culture and promote your culture and preserve your culture. That is what.